Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, back with another video. It's 2018, woo woo whoop. Everything's open today, I'm ready to crush it. Hope y'all are ready to crush it. Let's see, the main thing of this, I'm gonna have one word. I saw a video, I saw a YouTube video, because I'm always doing videos. I mean, I'm always watching videos, yeah, I'm always making videos too. I'm a YouTuber. And it was one word to describe your year. 2018 is going to be the year of positivity for CPA Strength. Rewind, it's just January, so in September, so month of September, October, November, December, it's like 4 months ago, I was chronically angry person, very angry, very sad, negative, like everything's bad, like everything is sucky, you know, what's the point, because it's just going to end up bad for me, mainly me, but if you've been following the channel last September, and my channel went like, now I'm just connecting the dot right now. I had a month of positivity in September. I said, you know what, I'm going to try to be positive in this month of September. And my channel went crazy. We also had Hurricane Irma here in South Florida, well, amongst other places. And I was without power for, I think, 11 days. Various times at my office and at my home. And I remained positive throughout that. I mean, I think I yelled in my car like once or twice. I was just like, ah, because I was one of the last ones in Fort Lauderdale without power. But anyways, I kept positive, and things just started happening for me. It was a very conscious effort. I had the help of my friends here that would comment. Like, I mean, the biggest thing for me was like a gratitude list. That helped me out so much. And that helped me, even though I didn't know how to use it. Well, I did. I just wrote it once and then just like throw it on the wall. I guess you could update those daily. And so I started feeling so good because I was just positive about. I was half glass full instead of half glass empty, and that was like my. From September on. But September I had to make a conscious effort of being glass half full. Like, it's okay, like everything's gonna work out, like I'm gonna do my best, it's great. Like that person, the reason he didn't look over at me is just because he didn't see me. He likes me, I'm sure. What's not to like? Instead of like, and the month of September went so good for me, went so smashing for me, that I kind of just started employing that, like everything's gonna be good, like everything's gonna work out better than planned. Like that's just how I started living. Now I'm not gonna say I don't get depressed sometimes. I get depressed about stuff, and I get in bad moods. Littler, smaller and smaller though. But anyways, so 2018 is gonna be the year, the whole year of positivity. That's gonna be my one word year. And I did not do it for 2017, but if I could look back on 2017 and have one word for the whole year of 2017, it would have been passion. Because I was passionate about a few different things during the year, and I just dove right in. Mainly this YouTube. I went about middle of the year, middle of 2017, after tax season, after I came down for tax season, I said, yo, I'm gonna do this YouTube. I was passionate about this YouTube, daily uploading. That was 2017. 2018, this whole, I got 364 days, because I'm counting this one, because I'm just getting up in the morning. Sun's not even up yet. This whole year, 364 days, positivity. Don't let me be negative about anybody. I already thought, you know, that's not going to be my internet footprint, is any kind of negativity. If you don't have anything nice to say about anybody, don't say it at all. I mean, for real though. Especially, I'm gonna get hella West Coast. Yeah, I lived in Oregon, boo. Hey, your boy's juicy though. That's what gets me by too. Positivity, I'll be like, hey, your boy's juicy though. Well, hey, your boy's juicy though. Come on, man. You want a little 2-piece, little beep beep? You don't want to know what it is? Positivity, have fun, less stress. If we can't have fun and be happy, what are we doing here? Am I right? Am I right? So yeah, I'm gonna get a hella stressed for my clients. I already know it. I'm gonna just get so hella stressed this tax season. And I mean, I already woke up January 2nd, first day, and I was like, oh, I'm so behind. But I will never, I'm not gonna sit here and ever talk negative to anybody, especially on the internet, but to anybody. And I'm not even going to try to think negative because this is the year of positivity. See, I'm not going to be upset at someone who comes to my business. They could do it themselves. I don't know how many different accountants, CPA. Well, there's only 500,000 CPAs in America. So anyways, you could go to like 499,999 other CPAs besides me. But you choose to use my services. I mean, you could bring your money anywhere, but you choose to bring it to me. And for that, I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at that one bit. I'm going to be positive about it. So this is the year of positivity. I babbled long enough. I hope you guys have a great day. Can you please like, comment, share, subscribe? Deuces.